Well, good morning, everybody. Arkansas is crawling with hunters like ants right now. There is probably 30 boats at every put-in. There's people at every walk-in spot. We got our hole stolen from us this morning from some dudes running in. I mean, we've checked all our places. They're all busy. We got people camping out at the walk-in spots. We're having to walk like 1,000 yards to go to this little pond to hope there's some woodies in it. Never even been here before, so this will be an interesting one. I don't know if it'll be good or not. Last year I know there were like a ton of woodies in here. Hoping that's the same this year, but we're just gonna go see. You gotta go to know. Could be insanely good, you know? We're gonna go check it out. Let's go walk 1,000 yards. Alright guys, we made it to the spot. Wasn't that bad of a walk. So now we're here in this little pond, and we're just gonna see if there's anything in here. I don't hear or see any yet, so maybe we'll get a pack of woodies to come in. We'll see. Fetch it up. Fetch that bird. Got one. I got one.
Six at the end.
Come. Bring it. Come here. Sit. Hang on. Come back. Luke, here. Luke. Luke, here. Luke, here.
Shoot.
Oh my God.
That was bad. That was bad.
He is being the worst bully right now. Oh my God, it has a band. Baby,
It does?
it has a band.
Are you serious?
Oh my God. Luke, come. Luke, come. Oh my God. No way. No way. No way. Oh my God. Oh my God. No freaking way. It has a band. Oh my gosh.
Is that what that means?
What? Hey, track him. I just shot a banded wood duck, y'all. Beautiful woody. Oh my gosh. Wow. A band? No way.
Isn't that your second one? All your second?
Second band. Oh my gosh.
Good shot, too.
He was pretty far. Y'all, this has been the craziest morning ever. Luke is braking on us like crazy. We had nowhere to go. This is plan Z for us. They were all kind of landing far out away from me. And so I couldn't have a shot, but Luke broke and spooked those birds up from the other end. They came flying right towards us, and I shot one. Oh my goodness. All right, we might be done, guys. I've shot at 3 woodies. I've dropped 2, and then I crippled one earlier. We're gonna see if I can find him, but he might have gotten out. So if I can't find him, we're gonna maybe shoot one more, but it was so dark you can't see anything in here because it's just all real tall trees. Oh my gosh. Hey, that is just unbelievable to me. Look at that banded woody. No way. Look at that. Wow. What a beautiful bird. Well, couldn't find the cripple. He definitely got out. I shot him when it was so dark I couldn't see anything. He was right in front of me, but as soon as I shot, I saw him dive, and so he was very heads up. So couldn't find him, so I'm gonna just wait, see, give it another 30 minutes, see if another pack of woodies comes in. This is her second duck hunt ever. And most people will go their whole life without seeing a band, so that's pretty cool. All right, y'all. Well, we just got back to the truck. That was a super fun hunt. You know, obviously not a ton of birds, but the ones that we got, we made them count. His wing is broken. I don't think I'm gonna mount it. I think I'm just gonna keep the band. But 2 beautiful woody drakes for this morning. That is just a really cool little woody hole. I think that's gonna do it for today. If y'all enjoyed the video, leave a like for that banded woody and subscribe to the channel for more. We'll have a bunch more coming. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.